So for this video, we are looking at using a compass to rotate as opposed to tracing paper. So we're going to start with this example here that we want to rotate around point D 110 degrees. So things that you will need for this is protractor, compass, and obviously a ruler. So step one is to connect one of your points with your point of rotation. So same as if you're using tracing paper. And I'm going to make it dark so you can see it, but you don't need to make it that dark. And you need to be more accurate than I was there. Now we want to find the degree that we want to rotate this line, because we know that the line segment that is connecting our point of rotation with one of our points is going to rotate this degree. So we're going to grab our protractor. Okay, middle of the protractor goes on our point of rotation. Baseline goes on that line segment we drew, and we want to find 110 degrees. So we know it's more than 90 degrees, so make sure you're reading the correct numbers. And I'm going to make a very light line there, again, being more accurate than I have been. Now, in order to find where point B should be on this line, we're going to grab our compass. We're going to measure from our point of rotation to B. Okay, and now I'm going to rotate my compass and make just a little line there. So that is the same distance, because when we rotate, the distance from point D to B does not change. So we know that B prime is going to be there. And then we repeat this with each of our other points. So A to D, I can erase this line so that it's not in my way. Find my 110 degrees, middle of my protractor in my point of rotation, baseline along my line segment. 110 degrees is there. Create a nice straight line from my point of rotation through that 110 degrees. Grab my compass. Now this time it's further away, so we get the correct measurement, correct length. Move it along to that line segment I drew, make a little mark so I know where to put my point, and that's where point A should be, A prime. And one more, point C. So again, I'm just going to grab my protractor to make my line this time. Oh, I keep breaking my pencil. Okay, find my 110 degrees. All lined up, 110. Make a nice light line there. Find the distance from point D to point C. Make a mark on that line segment I drew. And that right there is my point C prime. Get rid of that line that I drew. And now all you would need to do is, with a straight edge, connect B to C, A to C, and A to D. I mean B. Now you can double check to make sure it is the right size by using a ruler and measuring the distances, because A to B should be the same size as your original shape. B to C should be the same as B prime to C prime. But that is a 110 degree rotation around point D using a compass.